everyone, welcome back to Danielle's Decor. Today I kind of wanted to work on my little peppermint trees. I emptied all my little peppermints into a bowl. That was a process. If you can buy peppermints that are not individually wrapped, go that route, because it took me probably about 10-15 minutes to open 2 bags full of peppermints. If you guys didn't see my haul the other day, I went to the Dollar Tree and I just picked up 2 bags of these little peppermints like this and 2 of these little cones. I have not tried to make this yet, so I figured we'd just wing it and go at it together and see how this little thing turns out. Fingers crossed it comes out okay, and it looks cute. I have no idea where I'm gonna put it. Probably around in the kitchen somewhere. I'll find a spot for it. So hopefully it looks good enough. Now I've never done one of these before, so I figure we'll just figure it out together. But I'm gonna get my camera turned and move some, shoot, I'm dropping stuff. Having a time today, let me tell you. Let me get my camera turned and we'll get started. Be right back. So here's my cone, here's my peppermint. I'm hoping that they don't get, my hands are gonna be sticky from these things. I got my glue gun sitting over here. I have this little thing. I found this over the summer, well spring I guess, on clearance at Walgreens for $3. And these little things don't come out, but they work perfectly to hold my glue gun and my little glue sticks and all my scissors and pencils and stuff. So it's a handy dandy little thing to have. I thought about putting something cute on the front of it with my Cricut, but so if you guys see that over here, that's what that is. So let's, I don't know if I should start at the top or if I want to start at the bottom. I'm thinking we'll start at the top, right there. That way I can get my top to look nice, and if my bottom comes out a little wonky, then maybe I can do some things to kind of fix that. But I want one to go there. We're just going to start sticking these on here. Hopefully this cone isn't kind of a weird shape. Maybe I'll do a couple at the top, huh? Because once you get, maybe I'll stack like 2 up here at the top so it stands up a little bit more. We'll put one up like that. Oh, that'd be cute. We might do that when we get to the end. But let's go ahead and get to sticking these things on here. I want to kind of keep them these are getting sticky already. Ugh. It's been so just humid outside. We've had rain for a solid week. So I have a feeling the humidity in the house is probably really high. But I will spray this with a clear coat. I'm going to put these just going down like this. I will spray this with a clear coat when I'm done. So I have my first row finished. And I don't know if I want to go. I think I'll go in. I have my top row, so I'm going to go in between the others. Hopefully that will create a cute little pattern. If I mess this up, I'll have another one that was hot. I always have another cone. I can try it again. And I think I have a couple more of these in the bedroom. So I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing a lot better. It was a rough few days. Losing Roscoe, I still miss him terribly. He was so funny. It's really kind of weird with him not being here. So he was, oh, that one popped off. He was like a little kid, you know. some of the things he would do. He would get into stuff, and he was a puppy, so he would eat. He would get in, chew on, and eat things that he shouldn't. And for the most part, he really didn't mess with any of my decor and things like that. But he got into my poinsettias and ate one of my brand new poinsettias. And it wasn't a real one, it was a fake one. But I just bought it, still had tags on it, and he ate it. And I said, "Oh, Roscoe, what did you do?" And he just put his head down, and he'd go run over to his bed, and he'd lay down in his bed. I'd say, "What happened here, Roscoe?" And he'd, and he would groan and grumble. Or if he got in trouble, and I'd say, "Roscoe, go lay down." He'd go over to his bed, and he'd he was a talker. So, but I'm glad that I have, you know, good memories of him. He was a great dog. He was so smart. So I worked with him and taught him all kinds of tricks. Even the vet at 11 weeks, you know, he knew how to shake. And I took him to the vet for his checkup, and she went to give him a treat, and I told her, I said, he can shake. You know, if you tell him, "Roscoe, shake," he'll shake your hand. And that one's too big to go down there. I kept some of these that were broken half, so that if I got down to the bottom and needed a half a piece, I had some, and I wouldn't have to break them myself. So anyway, she went to give him a treat. She said, "Shake," and he stuck his little paw up. And she said at 11 weeks, you know, that was really good. Most dogs that young don't know anything yet, so that one doesn't look right either. I think that's too big to go up there because it kind of sits in the way. Maybe I'll try this one. I made it all the way down to the bottom, and I'm trying to find one that's, I got a big hole right there. So I'm trying to find one that'll fit, and this one's broke on the bottom side, but I think it's gonna work perfectly. I'll take one more. I don't know if I want to do two and then one kind of sticking up. I think I just want to do one sticking up maybe. Do a little double glue. We'll get this right here. The center. Hopefully that stays. Let that dry for a minute. It is very sticky. I could do without the sticky hands. It feels like somebody sucked on them and you're picking them up. It's what it reminds me of when it's sticky like that. But there we go. That is super cute. I like that. I like the little thing on the top. I have an idea. I'll be right back. I picked up some of this from Dollar General. It was $1. And it's just the cording. So I wanted to kind of see if I could use this on here some way, somehow. Some little polka dot ribbon like that. I wonder how that'd look. We'll just try different ones until we find one that we like. Hope I could grab a hold of this and pull this back off here. Now this is wired ribbon. This is from Dollar General as well, and it's got the wired edges so that it holds its shape a little bit better. Let me find my front. Go ahead and make just a little bow. And I know it's probably hard to see how I'm making this bow. Just tying it kind of like you would your tennis shoes. It's sticking out kind of far, but we can just pull that back in and get it to the size that we want. And then we'll just make sure that our ribbon is kind of turned so that it's facing the right way. Just 1 second. I'm trying to see how big I need this bow to be. That one's kind of cute too. Like that. I guess you could do it either way. I kind of like this because it's easier to shape. And when you get it how you want it, it stays. And you can just take and trim your ends off. And I'm just kind of cutting them at an angle like that. And I'll take this back off of here when I go to clear coat it. But I'm just trying to see how I want to make this on there. Here's some little polka dots. Like that coming down. I mean, I can make them shorter too if I wanted, you know, like that. I kind of like them a little bit longer, I think. I think I like the ribbon better than the cording, honestly. Because the cording, it just gets lost in there and the ribbon kind of picks up a different little pattern. There's my little peppermint tree. Not too shabby for $3. $1 for the cone, $1 for a package of those, and $1 for the ribbon. And you got a cute little cone. Well, that's all I'm gonna do with this little guy. I just think he is cute. So you can kind of see. And like I said, I made this my front because I used my little half pieces for that, and my back's still kind of got little gaps in it. Hey everyone, I just kind of wanted to show you what I ended up doing with these little peppermint cone trees, I guess they're called. I ended up making another one, so now I have a set of 2, and I just set them up here on the window ledge, and I took 2 of those little snowflakes from the Family Dollar and set those back behind them, and then this little sign I picked up today from the Dollar Tree. So I think that turned out super cute. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys up here the little polka dot ribbons that's on the top of these. I took 2 of my buffalo plaid placemats and just clipped them up there, and then used that same ribbon and made some little bows across the top of it. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys that, how they ended up, and it kind of, like I said, picks up the same ribbon as the curtains. I thought that would be really cute right there. That's all I got. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.